Assalam-o-Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, students and viewers. Welcome to our educational channel. My name is Ibn-e-Nasir. I am your English teacher. You get your content with my voice and beautiful images about the topic we comprehend and translate. When you subscribe to our channel, you are going to get videos related to your KPK English book from class 9 to 2nd year, where you are going to learn about lessons and poems, translations, poems, summaries, themes, figure of speech, and paraphrasing. Then we are going to touch all the exercises of the taught lessons and poems class-wise. Afterwards, we are going to work on English textbook of Punjab, Sindh and Balochistan as well. So do subscribe and start making difficult lessons and poems as easy as pie and make your experience of English book pleasurable and simple. Must remember that we upload shorts for your entertainment, and we have also started Urdu Aqwal-e-Zareen, which includes beautiful advices for you to follow. We also do have an experienced teacher named Namor Khan who is going to teach you about the law. Make sure you do check the playlist of our channel. There you can find your desired content uploaded already. Make sure you check this channel every day because we upload 2 videos at least per week. Dear fellow students and viewers, press the subscribe button now and hit the bell icon so you get all the new videos uploaded here from time to time. Thanks and regards, your teacher Ibn-e-Nasir. JAZAKUMULLAH kHAIRAN.